So someone wanted Jasmine to sneeze for real.
Let's do this for the third time again. Jesus Christ. So sneezing, yeah. You guys sneeze a lot? Sneezing. Good. Doesn't feel good at all. It feels like dying inside. Just like. Nah. Nostrils is just like, what? And you're just like, no. So that's what you say when you sneeze. Say no. So when you do that, you sneeze. I can't do it. I'm touching every single one of my nose hairs. Every single one! I can't do it. Dude. So yeah, chopsticks, they don't work. Don't ever try that. It hurts and it'll just make you cry completely. Like you're watching the Titanic all over again. So, next, baby powder. We totally got this in the bag. In the baggy bag. Okay. Yeah. Should I just...
I already know this. Just.
That was weird.
Oh, that was weird.
It's cocaine! Cocaine everywhere. Oh my god, I just cut myself. Oh my god. Okay. What am I doing? Alright, yeah. Baby powder doesn't work either. Alright, so I washed the thing off of the baby start. Alright, after washing baby powder off your face, it's not that hard, people. Okay, now we're gonna be doing black pepper. So this is the hardcore stuff. You guys don't even know it's gonna hit me. Actually, I don't know what's gonna hit me.
We don't know, okay?
Just alright, 1, 2, 3. I thought you were hardcore! I keep on getting the bed. Tastes way better on pasta. This really burns. Oh my god.